Hello students, today we are going to study about letters. So, what is a letter? A letter means a message, a written message conveyed from one person to another person, generally via post. Okay, so letters are always written. Okay, it is a written message. We do not type letters, we type letters, but generally, letters are supposed to be written by hand, which are written conversation. Okay, and who do we write letters to? We write letters to another people. Do we write letters to things? No. We write letters to one person or many other people. Okay? Why do we write letters? We write letters to give them a message, to convey them a message, okay, to give them some information or just to convey your message, what you have to say to them. And letters are posted by post. Okay, you know the letterman comes, right? The postman comes. What do he bring? He brings us letters. So letters are sent from post. Letters are communication in written form. Okay, we always write letters. There are two types of letters. There is one type informal letters and formal letters. So in this chapter, we are going to study how to write an informal letter. Let's see what are those types. Formal letter and informal letter. Formal letters are the letters which we write to business people, okay, for professional people, okay. Simple language, we use very simple language, okay. Who do we write formal letters to? We write formal letters to our school, to our teachers. We write leave letters, right? Leave application, that is a form of formal letter. We write letters to our principals or another business or professional use, okay. What are informal letters? Informal letters are the letters written for personal communication. It is written to convey a personal message which is very personal to us, which is not related to any business. An informal letter is very casual or in an emotional tone. Like formal letters, we use very simple language, very professional language. We write from one point to another point. But in informal letters, we talk, we write, like we talk to our friends. We talk very casually to our friends and family, right? Similarly, we use a very casual and an emotional tone. We write informal letters to our friends and family mostly. Let's see the format of the informal letter. What is a format? A format is a way to write a letter. There are some rules for writing a letter. So that rules, the way we write the letter is called the format of the letter. So let's see what does the format of the informal letter contain. First, we write always the sender's address. Okay, we write the sender's address and name to the left hand corner. Okay, that will be his address and his name. Then we write the date below the address in this format. Date is always written as date, month and year. Okay, this is the date, this is the month and this is the year. So the date will be the day when you're writing the letter. So if tomorrow is 2nd March and you're going to write a letter on 2nd March, so the date on your letter will be 2nd March 2020. the name of the month will always be in a full form. No Jan, no DEC or Feb. You have to write the full spelling of the month and then the year. Then comes the salutation. So what is a salutation? We in letters we always write dear or best friend or bestie, okay, whatever that is, and the name. Why do we write salutation? Just to feel homely, okay, just because it is a casual. We are writing this letter to your dear friend or your dear auntie, right? So that is why we write the salutation dear and then the name of the person to who you are writing a letter to. Then the body comes. In the body we write the actual message which we want to send. Even in body there are three parts, okay? The three parts of the bodies are introduction, main content and summary. So in introduction we will write the purpose of the letter, that why are we writing the letter, okay, there must be some message, right? That's why we write the letter. So we write the purpose of the letter. In main content we always write the detailed information, that why is someone writing a letter, that why are you writing a letter to someone. And in summary we write the short, okay, and we write the short form, short information, that okay, this is why I have written letter, okay. So these are the three parts of the body which will be your actual letter. In informal letter, you always use a general tone, very casual tone. You talk to your friend very casually, right? And when you talk to teacher, you always talk in a simple language, that teacher, I did not understand that. Teacher, can I go to washroom? Right? It is a very professional language. But in informal letter, you will write your letter like you're talking to your friend or family. So what are contractions? I haven't, okay, it's a contraction of two words, have not. So you will write I haven't got my book yet, or I shouldn't invite someone, okay. So we use contractions in informal letter as it is not a simple language. I have not is a simple language. When do we use simple language? We use simple language to write a formal letter. So this we use exclamatory sentences. We use sentences like hey, how are you? So hey, after hey there will be an exclamation mark. Or we can say I hope you're doing fine, and then an exclamation mark. So the sentences in we use exclamation mark are called exclamatory sentences. Why do we use exclamatory sentences? Because we are just talking in a casual tone, like we talk to friends and family. Then there will be a complementary clause. So what is a complementary clause? So when you have written the letter and you have finished the body of the letter, after that to the left hand side we write the complementary clause. It is like you see on the screen, yours lovingly or yours sincerely. Then you write your name below it. You always end a letter with a complementary clause. So this is the whole format of the letter. So I hope now you have learned how to write a letter and what are the constituents of the letter. Now let's see an example of it. This is an informal letter which is written by a person to invite another person to her birthday. Okay, as you can see over here there is the address. So who you are sending the letter to? We are sending it by post, right? So that is why we write their address. Then we will write the date. So the format of the date is you write date dash 20 August 2015. So this letter was written on 20th August 2015. So let's move to the salutation. Dear Upasana is the salutation. You will write dear and whoever you're writing letter to, his or her name. Okay, over here Upasana is the letter writer's friend, and this is the body. So this is introduction, this is the main reason, and this is the summary. So let's see the body of the letter. I am fine here and I hope that you are in good health. I am very glad to inform you that my birthday, 9th birthday, is falling on September 2. I have a planned great party in the evening at my house. I have invited all my close friends and am sure that you will also come. There is going to be a small cake cutting and tea party in 7 p.m. There will also be dance and music programs. It's going to be the most wonderful party you have ever attended. I hope you will attend the party as all our friends are coming and we will have a lot of fun. So see, the first paragraph of the letter is the introduction. That is, you will ask very casually to your friend, how are you? And you will casually tell your friend, I'm very fine. Okay? And this is the reason why you're writing the letter. So in this letter, the writer of the letter has explained that why is she writing the letter. Okay, in this another second paragraph, which is the body of the letter, we will write the reason that, okay, we have already given the reason, but in the second paragraph we will give all the details of why you're writing the letter. Okay, in this the details are given, where is the party, at what time the party is, okay, and what is going to happen in the party. And in the third paragraph, which is the summary or the conclusion of the letter, the writer has written, I hope you will attend the party as all our friends are coming and we will have a lot of fun. So this is a short summary of why the letter is written. Okay, and over here there is the end of the letter with complimentary close. Okay, with love, or yours sincerely, or yours faithfully, and you write your name and you give a full stop because the letter has ended. Now let's open your workbook to page number 110. Okay, here there are very simple letters which are half written. So you have to write the half letters and complete the sentences where there are blanks. I hope that you will be able to solve these letters and write on your own, as now you must have understood how to write a letter. Thank you.